Let's repot my Dieffenbachia, which is also known as dumb cane. Now, it's called a dumb cane because it has a dark history where it was used to torture and silence people. Unfortunately, this is my most neglected plant. I didn't know much about it when I bought it last year, and initially it was thriving, as you can see in the picture. But since then, I repotted it to a pot that was way too big, and clearly it just did not like it. So I am just potting it down to a pot that makes more sense for its size, or rather the size of the root ball. And I'm hoping that this will make it thrive again, because I really feel bad. Even though it's not my favorite plant, I feel bad watching it die like this. I gave it some nice airy soil that had chunky perlite, it had orchid bark, it had some charcoal as well. Then I also sprinkled some mycorrhiza into the roots, and I added some liquid plant starter into my water, which I used to water the plant. This should help reduce the transplant shock. Now I'm just gonna wait and see how this plant does.